Okay, 12 studies into next exercise 1.3, that second sum. A new transit system has the transportation system, okay, has just gone into operation in Chennai. Of those who use the transit system this year, 30% will switch over to the metro train next year. That is 70% out of 30%. Metro train means then remaining 70% will use the transit system, okay, transport system. That is your A is 70% and B is 30% this year, okay. Next, and 70% will continue to use the transit system of those who use the metro train this year. 70% will continue to use the metro train next year. So 70% use the metro train for the next year, 70% use the metro train. Then the transit system they use is 30%. So remaining A will be 30. Next, 30% will switch to the transit system and 70% use the metro train for the next year. Suppose the population of the Chennai city remains constant and 60% of the commuters use the transit system. So this is your current transit probability matrix 0.70. So let A and B represents the percentage of people who use the transit system, and B will be the percentage of the people who use the metro train. Now your transit matrix will be AB, that is 0.70 first and then 0.30. The next year it is 0.30 and then 0.70. This is your transit probability matrix. Now your question is, for the next year, that 60 successive year, 60% commuters use the transit system and remaining 40% use the metro system. So the next year it is 0.60 and 0.40. The metro train is 0.40 and the transit is 0.60. So AB matrix multiply with the transit matrix. So the current transition and the successive this is your current transition, this is your next successive transition. You multiply and find the current percentage. What percent? Write it in percentage. Multiply a row and a column. So you will get 0.60 into 0.70 and then plus 0.40 into 0.30. Again 0.60 into 0.30 and 0.40 into 0.70. So you are going to write inside the matrix, you are going to write it in the point decimal form. So that add up to the two products, you will get the sum as 1. So like that you have to write the transit probability matrix. Right, so the answer is 0.42 plus 0.52, 1 2, that is 0.54. Similarly 0.18 plus 0.28 is 0.46. So your A matrix is 0.454 means it's 54%. B matrix is 0.46 is 46%. So the A people will be 54%, B people will be 46%. So the percent of commuters who's using the transit system after 1 year is 54% and 46% use a metro train. Similarly, the next question is what given? Percent of commuters who use the transit system in the long run. That means at equilibrium state, what will be the A matrix? So equilibrium will be reaching in the long run. At equilibrium, we must have using that A. Your equilibrium means what? With the transit matrix, you are going to multiply the AB matrix on both sides. So multiply AB on both sides and do the product. You will get like this: A into 0.7 A, B into 0.3, that is 0.3B. That's what you will do. So not successive matrix with the current matrix. Next again AB into 0.3, B into 0.7, that is equal to AB matrix, where A plus B is 1, the sum is 1. So equating on both sides, you will get 0.7A plus 0.3B is equal to A. So in B place again you replace 1 minus A and your A will be like this: 0.3 by 0.6, which is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.50. So B is also 1 minus A, that is 0.50, which is 50%. So A is also 50%, B is also 50% at the state of equilibrium. So in the percentage of commuters using the system in the long run will be having the 50% on both, right?